To show you how you perfectly use Kinemaster to edit any movie, video, or even any cinematic movie at all. So what you want to do, you tap on Kinemaster. So once you tap on Kinemaster, it's going to open. So right now, what you want to do next, you tap on plus icon. So when you tap on plus icon, the left one, which is 1.1, is used for Instagram videos, and the middle one, which is 9.16, is used for a normal phone version video. And if you're editing a movie, you have to use 16.9. So I'll be using 16.9 to do this tutorial. So what you want to do now, the media is where you add your video clip. We're going to tap on media, and you're going to bring us down to our dashboard where we can actually pick any video we want to pick. So right now I'll be choosing a video, a content, which I'll go to my download for me to get one of the contents that I'll be using from here. Just for this tutorial to kick off, what I want to do, I will just pick this very video here of Ima Adenu. So once I tap on it, I'm going to install it. So right now the content is on my channel, is on my application now. So what I want to do, for you to cut this content, as you can see now, when I play, it's playing. So I'm going to stop. For me to cut this content, if you want to cut any part which you don't like, first of all, you tap on the clip. Then as you can see now, it's moving. Then if you want to cut it from here, you tap on the scissors icon. When you tap on the scissors icon, it allows you to trim. If you want to trim from here, or you want to trim from the left hand side, or you want to just cut it or extract the audio file from this content. If you are extracting the audio file, when you tap here, it's going to extract the audio file different from the video itself. The video now is left with no sound, leaving the audio file below. So to return this audio sound back to the video, what you want to do, you tap on the return icon, which is at the left hand side top, close to where the number my date is reading. Then once you tap on it, the audio file returns back into the video. So for you to cut this now, you tap on split at playhead. When you tap on split at playhead, as you can see now, our video has divided. As you can see, it has divided. So what you want to do, to delete any part here, when you tap on it, you scroll up, then you come to the left hand side here where you are seeing this delete box. Once you tap here, that file is going to delete. Now if you mistakenly delete a file which you don't need, you are going to get it back by simply tapping the return back icon right here. So once you tap on it, as you can see, the file is back. So you tap here, the file deletes again. Now what you want to do here, if you want to add extra layer down here, what you are going to do, you tap on layer. Now when you tap on layer, you'll be able to add media. Any clip you add now is going to come in as a layer. It's going to be on top the main clip which you are editing. So we have effects. Right on this effect is where you blur things. Like if you want to exchange, like if you want to zoom something, you don't want people to see what you are doing, you can simply use the basic effects. Or keep watching, I will show you another trick how you can get effects all by yourself. Then when you go to layer again, right on that layer, you go to this icon you are seeing here. Right here, you'll be able to add any kind of effect like this, something like this. As you can see now, this effect is imported, so we can make use of this effect without any copyright. You click on it, then you can see the effect is moving. So when you tap on it, you go to layer again. So what you are going to do, let us do our intro for our YouTube channel or for a Facebook page. So first of all, I'm going to delete this. Then I'll tap on the media. Right on media, I'll go to background. Then right on background, I'm going to tap on the black background. Then when the black background appears, I'll tap on it again. Now I'll now drive it to 1 minute. Then once I drag it, I stop. Then this one, I'm going to delete this. Then what you are going to do now, we are going to add text right here. So if you want to add text here, you come to layer. Under layer, you tap on the text icon. Now as you can see, the text icon has appeared. What you want to do, you can either use here Of course, I believe you know this key, how to type in capital letter and small letter. So once you type here, the next thing you want to do, let's say we are running for PG influencer. So what you want to do, you tap PG influencer. You can use your own name for your production, influencer. So when I type PG influencer, I'm going to type OK. So as you can see, the text is right here. Then I can now large it or small it, large it or zoom it, as you can see. So once I'm done with it, for me to change this text, what I want to do, I'll just go to this A, capital letter A and small letter A, tap on it. It gives me different text which I will choose if I want to exchange it. Don't worry, I will give you details on how you can get all this kind of fonts for free. So let's say, let me use this one since I'm doing an intro for this video. So once I tap on it, you tap at the arrow down at the top left hand side, right hand side, sorry. Then as you can see now, let me leave it at this way, bring it down a bit, then enlarge this a bit. Once you tap on it, you can simply increase the length of this or decrease it. Then you now come back a bit. From here now, you play. Then when you play this, the play goes, let's bring this a bit back. So as you can see now, once you play, it appears. Now for you to add effect to this text, you tap on the text. When you tap on the text, you can simply zoom in animation, overlay animation, or out animation. So any I want to do it, when you put in animation, you can make it fade in, you can make it pop in, you can make it slide in, you can also make it slide left back, you can make it slide up, you can make it slide down, or you can spin it in or spin it in the other way around, or drop it. This one you have to scale it in, here you scale it down, here you put it, then here you put it letter by letter, and right here you can still put it to zoom in. Now for you to do a movie production, like for instance what we are doing now is how we can actually create an intro for our production or anything we are doing. So once you are done with this, what you want to do next, let me choose, I like this letter by letter in animation, so I'm gonna just use letter by letter. Okay, this one is zooming. Then let's say under in animation, what I'll be using letter by letter. Okay, I will just tap on the top. Then for you to add more effect on, for you to zoom out, you come to zoom out. Under zoom out, you can choose it to fade out or you choose it to slide out. But for me now, what I'll be choosing, okay, this wipe, I'll be choosing devastated, so this is going to deviate out. So once you tap here, you come down here and you tap on the video again, on the letter again, you can see add any effect. If it's too bright, you can dim it. As you can see, you can dim it. Then once you are done with that, you play it now, you see it works in. Then let me just zoom it all. Then I'll be showing you how you'll be doing green screen effects on this training. So what you want to do now, tap here, then decrease a bit. Then what we have here, we have PG influencer. Then you can put it here, add another text, then add what your company, what it's all about. This says, I'm going to just use mine, which is going to say learn more about entertainment, learn more about social media, learn more about social media, and it says learn more about social media and comment and watch comedy. So right now what I want to do, I'll tap OK. When I tap OK, bring it down. This is what it is. Then the zoom in, I will allow it to flick it in, overload. No, that will I'll zoom in animation. I will allow it to pop up. Once it pop up, come down, tap it again. Then the overlay, I'll leave it at none. Then for you to zoom out, I'll just leave it out. Zoom out, I'll leave it at fade. Then I'm gonna pause it. Then right now, if I should play this is how it's gonna look like. Pop in. Then after a while, depending on how you set it, this one goes out. And of course the text, the PG influencer also is going to zoom zoom out. So right now, what you want to do to add text to this now, all you need to do to add sound to this, what you want to do, you tap on audio. When you tap on audio file, you can simply pick any song from here which you want to. If you already downloaded your song and you can't find it here, what you want to do, you go to folders. Under folder, tap on folder. It's going to bring you the list of your folders here. Then you simply search for download. When you go to download, tap on download. These are the downloaded files which you download into your phone. So once you pick on any downloaded files right here, all you need to do is going to automatically be added, but you actually test it. Once you tap here, it's going to play. Once it play and you confirm this is the sound you want to use, all you need to do is you have to tap at the plus icon. But for now, what I want to do, I'll be using a sound which I downloaded from freesound.org. This is a platform where you get all kind of sound you need for free without paying or without any copyright strike from any platform at all. So once you tap on the sound you want to use, tap on it, you tap on the plus icon. Okay, this one is not allowed. You tap on this, on the plus icon. Okay, it's not supported. Probably I deleted it. So you tap on sound, tap on the plus icon. As you can see, this sound has been added to my voice sound here. So now for you to add the green screen effect, something like adding fire to this, what you want to do, you first of all download a green screen. How to download green screen? When you go to YouTube, I did a training on my page on how you can download video from YouTube and Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. TikTok is very easy to download video. Therefore, you download video on YouTube. When you go to YouTube, kindly search for green screen of any effect which you want. When you search on it, copy the link and go to the site where you can actually download it for free, which I did the tutorial right on my page. You can check my YouTube channel, or you can also check my page PG Influencer on how you can get it done. So once you get your green screen, tap here, tap on the top icon. Right now it's going to open this way. So once it's open, you scroll down to download. Under download, this is the green screen I'll be using. Tap on it, it's going to appear. Now for you to remove this background, from this, all you need to do, tap here. When you tap here, come down, go to chroma key, tap on chroma key, and then you tap on the enable icon. As you can see now, the green background has key off. How do you key off background? When you tap on key here, you're gonna like to choose any color you want to key off from this. When you tap here, it's come back. Now tap on it and then you play. Now tap on the icon on the green screen from your layer. These are layer here. This is the green screen. Come back. So when you tap on the green screen, put this fire anywhere. You can simply move it in between your video to allow it to be wherever you want it to be. Now you can zoom it. As you can see, you can zoom it or let's it. Now let's say you drop it right here, tap here, come back, and then play your video. See what you got. Then if you want this fire to appear or burn up right on top PG Influencer, what you want to do, tap here, then you tap at the three dots at the left hand side. When you tap on it, you can either send this layer backward, frontward, or even duplicate it. Now for us to send it backward, we tap on send backward. It's going to go back. As you can see, it's going to be back of PG Influencer. But when you tap at the top at the three dots, bring it front, it's going to be at the front of PG Influencer. As you can see right now, this is how it works. But for now, to be a professional editor, what you want to do, we have to send it back. So it's going to be at the back side of PG Influencer. So what we will do, we simply tap at the three dots and then send it backward. Now once we do this fire is going to be at the back side. Then we can now simply zoom it or reduce it without affecting anything. Now for you to confirm that this is a green screen, what you need to do, you go back to your Chrome key. When you go to Chrome key, turn it off. Right now you see the green screen has come back again. Now once we enable the green screen, it's going to key off the green background. We have two colors that is good for chroma key. We have blue color and we also have the green colors. Majorly we mainly use the green colors for editing anything we want to edit. Now Kinemaster is one of the best mobile application editor that you can use freely. I must recommend Kinemaster if you want to be a professional editor using a green screen effect. So the next thing you want to do now, you can easily reduce this. Go to the top and then tap it here. So once you play it, tap on the green screen. For it to come in, you can allow it to fade in, pop in, or even slide in. So it depends on what you want it to be. For me now, I will allow it. I'm gonna allow it to pop in. I would like to fade in. Fade is more better. Then tap here, tap on the green screen again, allow it to fade out simply by fading out. Then tap again, then you leave it, then you play your video, see what you got. So right now, to make this perfect, allow it to play. Okay, then right now, since Pigeon Influencer came in, I'm gonna tap here to cut it, tap here, then reduce it again, then you click and then you play, see what you got. Pigeon Influencer. Then we can simply draw this again to get what we want. Alright, so see this is done. Tap here. Now this is how you do the special effect. You can simply do it, get any green screen, bed, anything you want to use it on your own page. So after doing this, for you now to record your voice over, like you are editing and you want your voice to be over what you are editing, what you are going to do, come to voice, where you are seeing voice, you can simply tap when I click on stop. When I click on stop, this is my own voice right now, which I just recorded live while editing the video. So what you want to do next, for you to add more extra features to this application, which is called Kinemaster, when you go to settings right here, tap on settings. Right now you can simply add any kind of effect you want to add. Then we go to video, we go to editing. Under editing, we can simply add any effect you want to add right here. But for now, you don't need to touch any editing, any settings from here. Just go back. Then for you to have extra features right here, let me explain these layers for you more again. When you tap on layer, right on layer, I've shown you how to write text. For you to draw, you want to draw on your video. When you tap on when you tap on your layer, come to draw. Under draw, you tap on anything you want to draw. You can use this, any of this ink. So once you tap here, we can simply draw on our video. As you can see now, I'm drawing. You can draw on your video, or you don't want to use that, you can simply use the brush to draw anything you want to write on your video. Then somebody asked me in the group, someone asked me on the training group, that how can they blue content? If they want to blue content, how can they blue it? For you to blue content, you don't want this video, you don't want this particular something to show while you are doing your video. What you want to do, you come down to layer. Under layer, you go to fix FX, tap on your FX, then go to basic effects, tap on basic effects. You're going to have the zoom and you also have the mosaic. So right now we'll be using the blue. When you tap on blue, it's going to come in, tap on blue again. So right now you have this blue effect to zoom, to blue anything you don't want people to see. Let's say for example, I don't want people to see PG Influencer, but I want them to see the down right up, which is called learn more about social media and watch comedies. Then what I will do, I'll simply zoom it, then cover the PG Influencer. When I go to PG Influencer, I'll come down to settings. Under settings, I'll increase it from 2, I'll increase it to 14 or so, depending on how I want to blue it. When I take it to 5, as you can see now, nobody can see PG Influencer. When I go back, I play my video, nobody will see PG Influencer, but they only see the right up, which is at the down part of it. So right now, for me to take this off, tap on the zoom and delete it, PG Influencer comes back. Now the next thing you want to do now, like I told you, I'll be showing you a trick on how you can actually get features for free. What you want to do, when you come to this love icon, tap on it, you'll be able to add any of this effect right here, all for free. If you just install this application newly, you may not have all this effect, but I'll show you how you get them down to your phone. Now when you tap here, the feature is going to come in. Tap here again, bring down the features. Then this is how it works. You can simply add a write-up on top of these effects. So let me just delete this. Now for you to get these features, if you don't have it before on your phone, if you just download the Kinemaster newly, what you want to do, you're going to turn on your data. When you turn on your data, Then you go to the marketplace right here at the down part side here. You are getting it for free. Don't worry, you're not paying for it. It's totally free of charge. When you tap on the marketplace, on the marketplace, it's going to bring you down here to the store where you get the Kinemaster assets all for free. So right now, as you can see, these are features which you can be able to use for our content, but we don't have it inside our Kinemaster except we actually download them from here. So what you want to do, if you need the FS, tap on FS where you get the effect. You can simply tap the ones you need. If you need a glitch FS, here you get glitch FS. If you need the distort, you get your distort effects. You get your distort effect. So it depends on what you need. If you need a lens, you need a noise, depending on the effect you want to use for your video editing. Then when you need a text, you can come down to text. Yeah, different kind of text font that you can actually use for your own write-up. Let's say I want to use this one, Korea Prime Science. When you tap on it, the next thing you want to do now, you're going to bring it down here where you download this science for free. Now when you tap on download, it's going to download into your phone and you're going to have it installed already right on your Kinemaster for you to use it freely. Now when you go back, right on back, you can simply go to handwriting. If you need an handwriting effect and font, yeah, you have different kind of fonts which you want to use. You come to Korea, Japanese, Arabic, serif, any kind of font you need, they are all here. You want Chinese traditional, Chinese simplified, all texts are available here which you'll be able to use for free. Then when you come to the next one, which you have, you can use cinematic effect right here. Right on cinematic effect allows you to make use of their effects all for free. This one is for end, like end credit. When you edit a movie, it's mainly used for movie. The remember me is mainly used for remembrance in movie. Then this is memories on film, also for remembrance for movie. Then one is for filmmakers, like if you are doing an intro on a movie, you actually use this on all of this. Now when you come to this love icon right here, this is where you get more effects which you'll be able to use. You can come to actions. Under actions, you get more effect for you to use for your content. As a content creator, you really need Kinemaster if you want to do amazing content. Well, there are other applications, but me, I normally use Kinemaster and Power Director. Now once you get your application right here, you can come here to get any frame at all, any effect you want for your content. Believe me, all these content are free to use, no copyright found in it. You can use them, your videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any social media at all, and you won't get your fragment for it. So when you come here, under here you can see different kind of effect right here which you'll be able to use. Come to VSS, this one, of course they are all for free. All you need to do is to download. When you download, you start using them all for free. Now when you go back, so right now this is what we get, so we can simply play it now. So this is how it goes. So easy, so easy. Tap here to duplicate it. Tap at the top icon, then duplicate. When you duplicate, you just move down and you get this done perfectly on your page. Right now, tap here, then send it back because it was actually back before. I'll just send this back. Send this back also. Sorry, send back. So this is how it works. Now for you to add a picture or add your image to this video while your video is playing, what you want to do, you tap on the layer, under layer, go here. When you go there, you're going to choose any video. Just click to choose your video, but for now I'll be choosing a picture which I'll be adding as a layer for my logo as PG Influencer. What I will do, I'll tap on the screenshot, then I'm going to just scroll, search for the picture I want to make use of. But if you are using a video, you search for the video you want to make use of so freely. So right now, I will just search for the picture which I'll be using. I'm searching for the picture I'll be using. Now I'm going to be using PG Influencer. Now this is the picture I want to use. So what you want to do, tap on the picture, zoom it a little bit, then you're going to bring it down to the left hand side, drop it here, click here. So right now, as you can see, we have a picture right here. If it is video you are using, you can simply add your video right there and it's going to just be there without any disturbance. So this is how you actually get it done. Everything about Kinemaster that you need, or Kinemaster explained in full details. If you are confused in any way, you want any assistance, kindly drop in the comment section and I will be able to let you know. Then how do you download your video after editing? What you want to do to download this video now, all you need to do, you come here at the top left hand side, tap on it. When you tap on it, it's gonna bring you down here. When you bring it down here, tap on the image. When you tap on the image, go to the share button. On that share button, you'll be allowed to choose any of the resolution you need. Now HD comes with high resolution, then SD comes with the medium resolution, whereby 360p comes with a lower resolution. Now the higher quality and resolution you get, the higher the MB or megabyte you'll be charged. So for now, when I come to HD, as you can see, I'll be charged 3 MB, not from my download. That if I should install it, if I should export it now, the video is gonna cost 3 MB if someone wants to download it. And if you are using SD, it's gonna cost 2 MB. If you are using 360p, it's gonna cost 1 MB. For now, I'm installing it on 3 HD. But if you want to use your own, if your video is too long, I advise you use the SD, which is the 540p, for you to export your content, so you don't cost you much MB. But if you have enough MB, you can actually go for HD. But the higher quality, the higher the MB, the lower the quality, the lower the MB. So right now, since it's just 3 MB, I'll be using this. So if I want to upload it, they're going to charge me 3 MB. That's what it simply means. But if they're showing 1 gig, does not mean if I export it, they're charging me 1 gig. No, except if I want to upload it, that's when I'll be charged for the MB. So here determines, you set it here for your resolution and the quality. The higher resolution, bitrate, the higher the quality. So if I bring it down, I can get 1 MB still on that HD, but I take it up. So right now I'll be leaving it at 3 MB, which is right here. Then I'll just click on export for it to export. So you just need to wait for your video to export, and boom, here we go. Our video has been exported. Now to play this content, simply tap on play. But don't worry, the video is already on our browser. The video is already on our browser. So once we click on play, because if we click go to gallery, under gallery, we are going to then view our content, and this is how it goes. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like and follow for more.